Christian all over the world are striving. So today, the more we create an environment for Christianity all over the world, the better the Christian of Lebanon will remain. Today what we're feeling, and this was part of the speech that Sami Jumail had said previously, is that it's the first time that we're seeing a country, a state that is taking care of the Christian of Lebanon. Today, this needs to be a new paradigm for the entire world, especially probably with the presence of the new administration in the US and what's happening all around the world. Christianity and the Christian all over the world has to take back their power, their position, and don't be afraid of talking about Christianity. We need to be proud of belonging to this community and work all together to reinforce the community all over the world. And this is the only way the Christian of Lebanon would be able to profit of this new dynamism. The second two pillars are purely internal. The first one is the identity of Lebanon, the identity of the Christian in Lebanon, and this goes with the value, the pride, and the belonging that goes to the land of the Christian, the land of our ancestors, and here we can merge between two very important things, which is first the European influence, which means the culture, the democracy that the Christian was the channel for in Lebanon, and the second one is the dogmatic part of the Christian that we represent in the East. So we're really the merger between the dogma of the Christianity in the Middle East, where Christianity was born, and at the same time we have the social values of the Christianity all over the world, which represent the West. And this is the strength of the Christian in Lebanon. The third pillar is our way of life, and this is where we reach this panel. The way of life is the economical growth of the Christian. The Christian cannot survive in Lebanon if they don't have three pillars: security, freedom, and the way of life. And I will let the other participants talk about our way of life, about the type of economy. But today, if we want to keep the Christian in Lebanon, we need to work also on their way of life and in emphasizing on the business side and in the business and in the economy that can make them remain in the country and make them live their way of life, which is completely different of all the others' way of life. Thank you.
I'm going to stay down on this